We're here in Munich, Germany at Electronica 2024. Held every 2 years, Electronica is the perfect platform for Heilind to connect with customers as well as our global supplier partners.
As a privately held company and a family-owned company, Heilind is able to connect with the customer in so many different ways. As the needs of the customer changes, we are able to adapt and be flexible, whether it's providing inventory programs, whether it's providing a vast array of inventory on the shelf, whether it's taking the call of the customer to do something extraordinary to benefit the customer. We are here to connect.
In 2025, Heilind Electronics Europe will remain focused on continuously the year-over-year trajectory of growth. We will also focus on expanding our team, entering new market, as well as investing in our value-added connector assembly production center.
The Electronica is a key part of our strategy, expand to our achievements, looking and driving innovation, but also continue with delivering the outstanding performance to our customers worldwide. Be part or be present at the show means also to show up with our portfolio, but also strengthen our relationship with suppliers and also our customers, but also listen what are the next market trends.
Here at Electronica this week, we are very, very proud as Heilind to be promoting our new market expansion. As we grow into the military and aerospace markets, we are very excited about our new VAD facility that we have opened in Frankfurt in Germany. As we partner with our key suppliers, allows us to bring new efficiencies and new operations to support our customers.